Hi Mike, I'm putting together this screencast for you to walk you through the process of getting your video from this list of videos that you have here from Camtasia Relay, loading it onto MediaSite, and then also saving a file in Box for students who might want to download a video rather than stream it. So let me go down here and find your video. I've already loaded one of them up. I'm going to find, I think it's lecture 2. Go. So you're going to want to find the file that has MP4 at the end of it, which this one has right here. And then you right-click, Save Link As, and it's going to give you some options for downloading. I'll go ahead and put this on the desktop so it'll be easy to find. And I'll do Save. And it may take just a minute to download. Once it's downloaded, then you can go to MediaSite, which is mediasite.osu.edu. Everyone should have a login, so you should be able to get into that just fine. It's mediasite.osu.edu. And you'll see a screen, a dashboard sort of pop up that looks like this. You probably won't have any videos showing up though, which is just fine. Then you go to Create Presentation, Upload Media. And so we want to give this a name, so let's call it Animal Science 3150 Lecture 2. And then once you have a name for it, you can come down here and select Video. And we will get the video from our desktop here. Open. And you'll see it'll take a minute to process it. It's uploading it right now. We'll X out of this. Now for a little bit here, probably a couple minutes, you're going to see it'll say this presentation has been scheduled. Now it's being processed, so it'll take just a couple of minutes probably, sometimes anywhere up to 15 minutes for this to be processed. Once you see that the video is visible here and it doesn't say that it's processing or queued or being recorded anymore, then that's a good sign that it's done processing and it's ready to work with here. So you can see it down here, it says private. You want to set that to viewable. That way anyone who is looking at the embedded video or the link to the video can view it. And then we'll go ahead and click on the video once it's uploaded, and there's all kinds of options here. You can edit it, you can share it. We're going to actually share, so I'll go to share here. There's a couple different ways that you can share this video. You can get the embed code if you want it to play right there in the class and look pretty nice. Usually that's a pretty nice thing to do for students if you have a page in your classroom that you want them to view the video on. Otherwise, you can grab the link here, and I'll show you from here what you do. So once you have this link, I'll just go into the sandbox that I have here created, and I can go to New Link, create a link, and I can put my URL in there, and I'll just call this Lecture 2, and then I can do Create. Okay. So now that I've done that, when students click on that link in the classroom, it will take them right here to this video, and you'll be able to they'll be able to play it right from here. So then next, to meet the needs of those students who might want to download, in Box, which is box.osu.edu, Buckeye Box, you can create a new file, a new folder. Just call this test folder, but you would probably call it something like Animal Science 3150 videos or something like that. And you can keep this checked, that's okay for now, and then do OK. So that's going to create a folder which then you can upload your videos to. So we'll go upload this file. So there's that Lecture 2 again. So we'll go ahead and load that in there. Now this is putting the MP4 file into this Box folder. And so once you have that there, there's a couple different things you can do. You can invite your students to join this folder, or you can just share this folder with a link. So if you were to do, let's say, share folder, it'll give you a link here. And you'll want to change this so that anyone with the link can access it. And then you could pop this link then into your course, just like we did with the video. I'll show you here. So copy this link. Put it in here. I'll go back to week 1. And then you'll be able to see that I can do create a, oops, sorry, mind, could do create a link, pop that in there, we'll call this MP4 of lecture videos. And you probably want this to open as an external resource so that it doesn't make them leave the classroom to get to it. And then create. And so now when students click on that link, it'll take them to this box folder that will have all of the videos that they are welcome to download if they would like. So I think that's probably the best approach to take to meet your needs of the course. So go ahead and watch this video, maybe go through the process a couple of times, and if you run into any issues, let me know, and I'm also happy to swing back over after you've watched this to help you through a couple rounds of doing this. But it should be pretty easy for you, and it should make the experience pretty good for students too. Okay, thanks, Mike.